Welcome back to your Forex trading update for today, July 17th, 2026. In 2 minutes, we'll cover the main currency movements, gold and silver, the XAUUSD live outlook, and global market direction. Starting with gold fundamental analysis, gold is neutral overall with a score of 3. Bullish sentiment and softer inflation are offset by a bearish trend and mixed labor data, leaving limited directional conviction. Turning to USA fundamental analysis, the outlook is mixed, with a 40% bullish reading for the US dollar and 60% for stocks. Softer inflation supports risk assets, but weak payrolls and business surveys limit confidence. Now to the currency index, the New Zealand dollar leads at bullish 6, with the British pound, euro, and Canadian dollar at 5. The US dollar is weakest at -3, creating clearer directional gaps. Moving to major currency pairs, the British pound against the US dollar leads at very bullish 9, while the US dollar against the Canadian dollar is very bearish at -7. Both extremes reflect US dollar weakness against stronger counterparts. Across minor currency pairs, the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen leads at very bullish 10, supported by Canadian strength and yen weakness. The euro against the British pound and Canadian dollar are weakest at -6, showing bearish pressure. Turning to metals and oil, the overall tone is mostly neutral, with platinum, the bullish, standout at 4. Oil and copper score 2, while gold and silver remain neutral at 1, showing limited conviction elsewhere. Looking at global indices, the tone is mixed, with China 50 leading at very bullish 8 and the Dow Jones bullish at 5. The Nikkei is weakest at bearish -4. Now for the economic surprise index. Surprises compare recent data with forecasts, while economic strength reflects broader underlying conditions. Canada leads near 86%, while the US and Australia are lowest at 40%. Today's high-impact news includes euro area inflation, US building permits and housing starts, and Michigan consumer sentiment. These releases may increase volatility, so wait for confirmed market reactions before assuming direction. Overall, the clearest gaps favor the New Zealand, British, euro, and Canadian currencies against the weaker US dollar and yen. Focus on the strongest market differences, then wait for price confirmation before entering.